Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to find all your check-ins by date on Facebook using your PC. This is based on Facebook's new update, so follow along to make the process simple and quick. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook organizes all your activities in one place. Now that you're in the activity log, look under the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Here, click on Posts. This will show you all the posts you've made on Facebook. Next, locate and click on Check-ins. This option filters out all other types of posts and displays only the check-ins you've made over time. At the top of the check-ins page, you'll notice a filter labeled Date. Click on it. A menu will appear where you can choose a specific date range to narrow down your search. Select the start and end dates for the period you're interested in, then click Save Changes. Facebook will now display all your check-ins within that selected time frame, and that's it. You've successfully found all your check-ins by date on Facebook using your PC. It's a straightforward way to revisit memories or track past locations with ease. If this guide helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.